No fuss, no scratching. The iProven Bug Bite Buster quickly soothes insect bites. Got a bug bite? It's the proteins from the bite that cause irritation. The Bug Bite Buster has a ceramic plate that heats up and breaks these proteins down, bringing temporary itch relief. Here's how to use it step by step. Simply press the power button to turn the device on or off. When the green light flashes, you're ready to start. The Bug Bite Buster has 2 settings for different skin types. Place the device on the bite and press the button once for sensitive skin. For less sensitive skin, press the button twice to start regular mode. Feeling too much heat? Gently move the device in circles on your skin. Still not enough relief? Just repeat the process for best results. Red light flashing? The device is locked to prevent accidental use. To unlock it, press the on-off button for 3 to 4 seconds. To lock again, repeat the process. Fast, simple, effective. The iProven Bug Bite Buster. Always ready when bugs mess with your skin.